Welcome to Real Estate Unlocked, your questions, our answers. On this channel, we talk about insider secrets every home seller needs to know. And today we have a question from Nick, and this is in the category of decluttering. And he wants to know, should you declutter a house before selling? And the answer is yes. We probably all heard this before, but we want to declutter the house and take away all personal items so that the buyers can see it as their home. People are judgmental, right? Buyers can walk into your home and see something that you think is just beautiful, treasured, amazing, like grandma's sofa and curtains, but a buyer may seem shocked and say, "What is that?" And if that happens, they literally can't see anything else around them. They get hung up. They can't see the architecture or the space or the family neighborhood or any potential at all. They may even give your house a name like the ugly house with grandma's curtains and then scratch it off their list, even though it might be the one house that would make the most sense for their family. So let's declutter your home of all personal items so that buyers can imagine it as their home and not be shocked by anything they see. Decluttering can make a huge difference when it comes to selling your home for more do-re-mi. So that's your tip for today. Thank you for joining Real Estate Unlocked, your questions, our answers. My name is Rami, like do-re-mi. I'm an award-winning interior designer, a best-selling author, and a top-producing real estate agent who's worked across 4 states. If you have a question for the team about mortgages, interest rates, the escrow process, home warranties, what repairs to do before selling your home, and what not to do, staging, tips for selling your home quickly, or how to put more do-re-mi in your pocket when you sell your home, simply leave your question in the comments section or contact us through the email address below, and we'll get you an answer typically within 24 hours or better. And we look forward to chatting with you soon.